In this video, we're going to be talking about baseboards. So if you want to find out more, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Here I share decorating and home organization tips. Now, if this is your kind of content, I would love for you to subscribe and become part of the family. And to my creative family, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now today, if you know me, you know I hate cleaning baseboards with a passion, because I don't want to get down there and have to be scrubbing and crawling and doing all that foolishness. Who want to do that? But I found something online and I purchased it, and it's supposed to help. It's called a baseboard buddy. Yeah, a baseboard buddy. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like. I've already put it together. Okay. Now, it has a long handle on it, and this is how it basically looks. Okay, I've been playing with it. This is how it looks. Now it's attached with Velcro, so it's easy to take off and replace, and also you can wash this pad, because I have washed it out and reused it. The package comes with a spare scrub pad in it. See, it's just bare, this Velcro. Okay, and it forms around the baseboard. So all I do basically is spray multi-purpose cleaner on the pad and go down the baseboard. So I'm going to show you how this works. Now it cleaned the baseboard. Make it bigger. Now the baseboard is clean in the area that I cleaned it, and the wall will dry, but it's compared to being dirty like this. Hope you can see that. I got a bad reflection. From the baseboard looking dirty to being clean. Now it cleaned it really well, and so I'm going to do the rest of the wall and get this whole section here clean. If you want to explore more, why don't you check out one of these videos I have listed here, and you'll be blessed.